Tanchoco recovers. Tanchoco layup, still no good. Oh, look at and emotions. You can see the emotions. You can see the emotions of the players when they have the ball, when they are trying to get into the possession. They're trying to get all the possession. They're trying to outdo each other. Wow. Look at the players. You have to give the players a lot of credit for playing with heart. Because here in NDL, you're not only playing for yourself, you're playing for your city, you're playing for your province. As we take a look at that last play between Gabiran and Santos. And of course, Tolentino pushed Santos, but of course, just to protect Gabiran there, who fell. But let's see. Let's wait for the official announcement as the officials have clear view of all the angles. And there is a foul on Miko